about pedagogy, education, and praxis have long been faced by individuals and societies in global, national, and local contexts.
Hello mga ka-OER. It's been a long time since we haven't posted any tutorials, but for this video, you're going to learn on how to make your ebook PDF file becomes an audiobook. So listening instead of reading, or listening while reading. So it's up to you. Which do you prefer? Do you prefer to read it alone, or do you prefer to listen while reading, and at the same time there's a visual in front of you? Okay, so it's all depend on us. So what type of reader are you? So but for me, I prefer to read while listening, and at the same time I could see there's a visual on it in front of me. If you want to listen while reading, so this video is for you. A simple tips of from Sir OER, or sharing the best practices, a simple best practices, or small skills that necessary in order for you to make your work easy. Okay, so you are on the right video. Okay, so I know that you can't wait. You can't really wait and excited. So let's start. So by the way, I'm using Microsoft OneNote, so I hope you also apply it. My best practice whenever I have important details or links or videos, so I really do paste it here. I used a OneNote. So on this video tutorial, but first, of course, I'm going to write the titles. Okay, so that's it for critic paper. So I do really write first the title. Okay. And then I'm going to upload my PDF or ebook in a PDF file. So I usually paste it here. Let me open it. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, insert file attachment. Okay, so ito na. So pedagogy, education, and so on. So at this time, I'm going to open the file, and there will be a pop-up that says don't open unless you trust the person. Yeah. So okay, let's click okay to open it. So that's it. So here's my PDF file. By the way, the default browser of my PC is Microsoft Edge, which is built-in Windows. So I don't know what default browser that you have, but if you change the default setting, perhaps you prefer to use a browser. So that's it. So I suggest to use any PDF file to use a Microsoft Edge like this. So here's the ebook, Pedagogy, Education, and Praxis in Critical Times. So this is my ebook, and now I'm going to make it like an audiobook, because I prefer to listen while reading. So it's up to you. Which do you prefer? So if you prefer to read it like you're reading usual or common books, then that's it. So here it is. Well, I'm going to start from the preface. Of course, that's very important. So for the sample, we're going to start the reader to read this. So just click read aloud. Okay, at the center of your browser. So that's it.
And praxis have long been faced by individuals and societies in global, national, and local contexts. This book, Pedagogy, Education, and Praxis in Critical Time.
Pagpasensyahan kung medyo siguro ang pronunciation niya, ang pag-pronounce sa isang word, ano po, ay iba po. But anyway, the important there is nakuha natin yung ang gusto natin na kasi may pagpipilian po tayo mamaya na reader.
Times explores critical questions about education that...
Halimbawa, ganito ay napakabilis, no? Tapos, mas prefer mo yung boses ng lalaki o boses ng babae kaya. So, pwede naman natin itong palitan. Una, pag inyong napapansin, titingnan natin ha. Papansinin natin.
That have concerned researchers in the Pedagogy, Education and Praxis, PEP, International Research Network for over 15 years.
Napakabilis po, Napakabilis. So, ano po ang ating gagawin? Dito po sa left side, right side, may voice option dyan. Okay? So, kung inyong papansinin po ay nasa almost fast po siya na mode. So, gawin na po natin normal. So, yun. Gawin natin normal, sabay babae siya, di ba? Halimbawa, mas prefer ko marinig ko yung boses ng lalaki and then normal. So, dito po natin i-click. So, ginawa na natin normal. Choose voice tayo. And then, hanapin ko lang yung, of course, I prefer na ang babasa ay Amerikano, di ba? Okay, so ito si Christopher. Online Natural English United States. So, halimbawa yan ang pinili ko. Sabay lalaki, gusto kong marinig na boses. So, yun. Click lang po natin itong play. Pakinggan natin at mag-observe kung anong pinagkaiba nung kaninang pagbukas ko. Napakabilis ng binasa ng yung reader natin na babae. Ngayon, pagkumpara natin kung saan kayo mas prefer. Okay, so ready na? Play ko na.
About pedagogy, education, and praxis have long been faced by individuals and societies in global, national, and local context.
So, how is it to you? Yung una ba? So, yun. And then, ano bang napapansin ninyo? Mas komportable ba kayo na habang binabasa ay may naririnig kayo? Or mas gusto niyo yung kayo mismo ang magbasa? Mas prefer kayo mismo ang magbasa at wala kayong naririnig. So, depende po sa iyo kung anong klase po ikaw na learner, Or kung saan po yung prefer mo. Visual ba? Type, May nakikita ka? Mas madali bang ma-absorb yung information o yung binabasa mo mismo? So, depende po sa atin yun. Everyone is unique. Ika nga, magkaiba naman talaga tayo. So, ito mas prefer ko na habang binabasa ko, at the same time, may naririnig ako, and then, of course, visually, nakikita ko pa kung saan yung binabasa niya. So, tuloy daw tayo, mga ilang paragraph lang.
Contexts. This book, Pedagogy, Education, and Praxis in Critical Times, explores critical questions about education that have concerned researchers in the Pedagogy, Education, and Praxis, PEP, International Research Network for over 15 years. Such questions have provided PEP researchers with scope and direction to study the conditions and possibilities of and for education, including those associated with understanding in developing the double purpose of education, helping people to live well in a world worth living in. Taking this up as a core principle, this book provides a qualitative meta-analysis of an international body of work that aimed to advance theoretical, methodological, and practical issues and challenges concerning pedagogy, education, and praxis. Chapters capitalize on the practice turn, Shatsky 2001, to theorize different dimensions of educational research and practice, researching, leading, teaching, student learning, and professional learning, extending its relevance across multiple fields, global interests, disciplines, and paradigms with renewed importance in the light of current global uncertainty, disruption, and...
Okay, so that's it. So we change ebook PDF file to audiobook and listening instead of reading or listening while reading. So, which do you prefer? Do you prefer to read it like just like we read a book, okay, or just listening and at the same time reading? So I hope that it helps to you. Okay. For those who are not subscribers yet of my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and then click nyo na rin yung notification bell na all para mapanood nyo po bawat tutorial na aking i-upload. By the way, I'm going to make a tutorial no kahit simpleng ano lang yan siya. Simpleng skills, simpleng best practices para ma-share ko po sa inyo yung mga usual na yung na ginagawa ko kung paano mapadali. Halimbawa, mga copy paste, control V, mga ganun-ganun lang na alam kong makakatulong sa atin sa pang-araw-araw na preparation sa ating lesson. Okay? So, that's it. That's all for this video. See you next time. Thank you for watching, mga ka-UER. Bye-bye.